Yet another historic day as ISRO is ready to all set up to launch PSLV C-57 carrying Aditya-L1 rocket, and behind us you could see that launch pad that is called the second launch pad. Amidst the structures, the four structures in the center part is PSLV C-57, the workhorse of ISRO, and this is also called as the XL version because all 6 solid boosters are strapped onto it and it is going to soar up in the sky as we speak. And this is a very important mission because this is something called as a space observatory satellite or spacecraft that will have to travel almost 1.5 million kilometers. That is the 1% distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is 150 million kilometers. And this particular spacecraft will travel in a path called as interplanetary highway after doing multiple orbits. And there you see, there it is, the rocket has been lit up and it goes up, it's soaring up. That is PSLV C-57 right in front of our eyes. That's the rocket carrying Aditya-L1. This is an amazing moment because recently ISRO scientifically conquered the moon as well. On the far side, ISRO Pragyan rover, as we speak, is investigating, and there we have been told that the liftoff is normal and the rocket has lifted off. It's soaring up to the sky with Aditya-L1, which has 7 payloads. And the satellite's important aspect is that it is going to study about the sun. What you are hearing right now is a rumble from the rocket because sound travels lesser than the speed of light, and that's what you see currently. That is a rumble as the rocket soars up, breaking the escape velocity that is 11.2 kilometers per second. And as we see, that's the rocket that has gone up in the sky. And this is a very important part because now Aditya-L1, after 4 months, it will reach a point called as Lagrange point. There it will be stationed in a halo orbit, and this is something called as a 3-point problem, where now ISRO scientists have solved the equation where they have to take care of three objects: the sun, the earth, and the satellite. And Lagrange one point is some point where the gravitational force of the sun and the gravitational force of the earth will meet in a point where which if you put an object, it can rotate stationary. This is a calculation. This is purely calculation based, and right now PSLV C-57 has lifted off with Aditya-L1 as we speak and soaring up to the sky. And the Aditya-L1 is a very important satellite. It's carrying 7 payloads, and we are going to learn about how the sun's surface is acting, the corona, the chronosphere, the photosphere. Because on the sun's surface, yes, we all know that the sun is the one that is powering life on Earth and it is governing this entire solar system. But how the solar flare and everything works is something we need to learn, because this is a kind of like a solar storm or solar flare, but nothing but a sudden gush of energy that leaves the sun's surface and it impacts every planet, including Earth. All this will be clearly studied, recorded, and the data will be provided for ISRO for studying. Zivyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.